Hi Party Panthers! It's Mrs. Padberg, for those of you who don't know me. I obviously teach kindergarten at Purdy Elementary School, and each week I'll be sharing with you math or science. Today is a little bit of both. We're going to do a Three Little Pigs STEM challenge. So, before school was closed, your classroom teacher read to you the story of the Three Little Pigs. We all know how it goes. Three little pigs had to go out on their own and build a house for themselves. The first little pig built his house out of straw. Yep. The second little pig built his house out of, you know it, sticks. And the third little pig built his house out of bricks. Yep. So they all go out, they build their house. The big bad wolf comes and blows down the first and the second little piggy's house. Fortunately, the third little pig built his house out of a much stronger material, bricks, which withstanded the big bad wolf's breath. Your challenge today is to build a house for your very own piggy that can withstand the big bad wolf. So I have some materials here. I'm going to show you what you'll need and how to do it. It might be fun to reread the Three Little Pigs at home before you start the challenge. If you don't know, Epic is an online resource that has books, and the Pierce County Library you can also access online. If you don't know how to do both of those or either, contact your classroom teacher and they'd be happy to help support you. So, materials you'll need. A workspace that can be easily cleaned. A cute little piggy. If you don't have a cute little piggy, you can always use a step-by-step drawing. I'll post this below. Here's my piggy. A piece of paper or a paper plate, and tape or glue for your little piggy to make him stand in his house. And then the most important part of the materials to build the house. So today I'm going to be using toothpicks and gummy bears. Raid your pantry. You don't have to use gummy bears. I've used marshmallows in the past and the little candy dots that come in the yellow box. But if you don't have toothpicks or gummy bears or a candy substitute, feel free to use Legos or bricks or raid your house. Be creative. Toilet paper rolls. I'm sure you have plenty of those. And then the most important part, the big bad wolf. If you have a blow dryer, make sure you remove the attachment before you test your house. If you don't have a blow dryer, you can always have your family members be the big bad wolf and try to blow down your house. So here's my house with my little piggy in there. Build it first. Then when you're ready, test it out. Remember, this is a challenge. So if you test your house and it falls down, you can save your little piggy, rebuild it, or try using different materials to see if that is better. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, wrong button. Success! Woo! When you build your house, we'd love to see some pictures or videos. Share with your classroom teacher. It would be nice to stay connected. That's it for today. Remember, we love you, we believe in you, and we know you can do it. Have a great day. Check back tomorrow for another video.